Sure. Well, I am open to different art forms, different art disciplines. So I started off as a dancer growing up. And then I moved into choreography. Then I moved into directing. Um, so that's where I was holding auditions, and that's when I was working with spoken word artists. So I do a lot of writing as well, speaking. And then I started working with my hands, so crafting kali sticks using fire. So I do a whole bunch of art. So that's why I say multidisciplinary.
And what?
I started with Filipino dance with Kemehana Lahi when I was a kid, so maybe, gosh, in the 90s. And from there, I studied hula, and I have been ever since. Um, I've been hula dancing for over 20 years now. From there, I went on into contemporary, modern, ballet. Um, I danced ballet folklorico as well from Mexico, danza azteca, Javanese dance. Filipino dance found its way back again when I went back to Hawaii and then started doing crossovers with the martial arts and the dance. And then I danced with an indigenous contemporary dance group. So dance as a whole. And now I'm just Toni. Dancing to me is dancing to me is a way to focus on joy and love and unconditional abundance from within. It's a place of transcendence, um, of exploring your own body so that you can stand on your own 2 feet and have your own autonomy and come from that place. That's what dancing is to me.
So when you're saying transcending, or it's transcended, which denotes like a transfer or someplace, right? Where is it you're coming from, and where does dance take you?
What a beautiful question. Transcendence to me and dance to me is a spirit that moves through the body. So dance to me is a spirit that moves through the body. It's not necessarily the body that's moving, but you can see the essence that's moving through the body. That's how I see dance. So when I say transcendence from the dancer's perspective, it's when I am not coming from the cerebral place as much, a place from memory, but dropping down from a place in the heart or from the gut space. These are knowledge systems. The heart space and the gut space are knowledge systems. So, and intuitive. So when I say transcendence, it's that philosophy. It's also when monks are doing repetition in their chants. It's the same thing with dance. The more that you do your repetitions with movements, you get into a state of being that is not only coming from the mind, but is just going with the flow. My name is Toni Pasion. I am a choreographer and a multidisciplinary artist.